Google has a new phone out in India, and it's the Pixel 3 XL. In a way, this is the official Android phone for 2018. Compared to the earlier Pixel phones, there are some subtle design changes, like there is improved screen and the camera performance on the new phone is better. At the same time, the price has gone up too. So is the Pixel 3 XL a high-end phone worth buying? You're watching India Today Tech, and let's take a look at the Pixel 3 XL. Pixels are ultimate Android phones, but they generally don't want to look the part. That changes with the Pixel 3 XL. Though it still has that dual tone look at the back, at first it may not look very different from the Pixel 2 XL. But there are a lot of subtle differences. Phone is made out of glass, but it's polished and smoothened like a candy. There's Corning Gorilla Glass 5 at the back, major part of which is coated to give it a frosted look and a velvety texture. The back is slightly curved at the edges, and overall the phone is thinner than Pixel 2 XL, though slightly heavier. It also has better waterproofing and can stay in 1.5 meters of depth for half an hour. Google has not included a headphone jack. There is only a Type-C USB port at the bottom. There are dual microphones for active noise cancellation and dual speakers, one at the bottom bezel and other in the earpiece, that together deliver loud audio. At front, the notch makes the Pixel 3 XL stand out in the Pixel family, but it has a large notch, and that is a bit of a problem. With the large notch and a big chin, the Pixel 3 XL looks dated in front of phones like iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Max, with which it competes. The iPhone XS, Galaxy S9 or the OnePlus 6 are all better designed smartphones. Except the dual tone finish on the back cover and that colored power button, the Pixel 3 XL looks generic even if the build quality is top class. The screen, despite that tall notch, is one of the best we have seen in a phone. It's a sharp one with a resolution of 1440x2960 pixels, and the colors it shows are absolutely gorgeous, although we still find the True Tone display on the iPhone XS and the XS Max slightly better, especially at the color temperature. But Google has come a long way with Pixel display. It's vibrant and bright. The viewing angles are also quite nice, though while watching YouTube videos you will see if you stretch the display, the notch is not covered with black borders. The main reason to buy Pixel 3 XL, apart from its camera, is the software. Pixel 3 XL runs a slightly modified version of Android 9 Pie and comes with some nice features like the digital well-being. Compared to the regular stock Android, the interface in the Pixel 3 XL is slightly different. Out of the box, it replaces navigation keys with gestures like half swipe for multitasking and full swipe for app drawer. The old-time Android users will take a while before they get used to it. Pixel 3 XL runs Snapdragon 845 with 4GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of storage. We found the performance of the device to be more than adequate. It doesn't heat up even if you're playing PUBG for an hour or so. The OnePlus 6 and Note 9 are equally powerful phones that come for much less. The Pixel 3 XL comes with a 3430 mAh battery and delivers one full day of use. If you mostly use Wi-Fi, you'll get around 16 to 17 hours of backup, and using the 18-watt adapter, the phone charges quite fast. Now Google hasn't updated the rear camera hardware much this time, though it has put dual cameras at the front. But despite a similar hardware, the new Pixel phone clicks better photos. Pixel 3 XL captures details no other mobile phone does, although there is room for improvement as far as shadows are concerned. But the details are so good, you can capture up to 2 times zoom without much loss of detail in good light conditions. In low light images too, the details are well preserved and there is no hint of over sharpening. The color tones remain sharp and nicely rendered. There is also a new night sight feature that is almost magical. It makes clicking low light photos so much better. Portrait mode remains the best feature on Pixel 3 XL. Without a second camera, the phone captures tremendously clean portrait shots both in good light and low light situations, and the object detection is also seamless. The front camera can also do the same magic for taking selfies with clean background blur. though the second camera has a wide-angle lens and can be used to fit in more people in your selfies without needing to wish for a longer hand. The details captured by 8 megapixel front camera are also quite satisfactory, and you get near to accurate skin tones. So the Pixel 3 is Google's third attempt at Pixel, and expectations were really high. It has gotten better in many regards. It's a better designed phone, has a much better screen and speakers, the software feels new, and its camera performance has improved. But it doesn't seem to have evolved into an extraordinary smartphone, the kind of extraordinary you would expect at 83,000 rupees. Buy Pixel XL for its great camera and clean software, but if you do not require an absolutely top-notch camera that can do low light photography as well as a regular DSLR camera, the iPhone XS and the XR would be better phones for you. Do let us know what you think about the Pixel 3 XL in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphone and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.